In VirtualBox, click on the Devices menu at the top. Select Insert Guest Edition CD and a disk icon appears on the desktop menu. Click on that, and an Explorer box pops up with the contents. We're going to be using the autorun.sh file. Right mouse click in the box and click Open in Terminal. The terminal window pops up, and if you run an ls command, you can see the autorun file amongst the others. Now, type // followed by autorun.sh. Then type in your password for Ubuntu and let the process run through. It takes a little while, so put the kettle on quickly. My screen shrinks a little during the install, but don't worry about this, as it's expected behavior. Okay, we are done. So the install has completed. It is best you power it down and restart to get a clean boot. As you can see now, the screen is much bigger, but by hitting the Ctrl F buttons, it flips to full screen, looking like you now have a full version of Ubuntu on your laptop. Test it out, and if you like it, install it on any old laptops. It's awesome. Thanks for watching this quick one today, and it will enhance the experience with Linux. Like, share and subscribe to the G-Man channel for more useful tips, or watch our playlists. See you next time.